Well, Frazier here, trying to talk a little quieter because I got a new puppy and I got a big loud voice and sometimes I scare the puppy. So anyway, gotta try to tone it down a little bit. But this video, wanted to share two places to get faceless content digital marketing. To get faceless digital marketing, faceless content, whatever you want to call it. Two places. One of them is free, and another one is paid. Actually, the second one you get as a bonus. And the two places, Internet Income System is the first place. The training is free. It is done by a guy named Chris Record who made lots of money online. Now, to get a free account, this isn't just one of those, here's my link, create a free account. No, I have to specifically email it to you, and you have to basically create a free account. Once you create your free account with the Internet Income System, you'll have access to the training. But if you don't want the training, do not email me, because it's one of those deals to where if you email or spam your link out there too much, they will shut you down. I don't want my account shut down. So if you don't want the faceless content training from Internet Income System, don't say anything. But it's free. So I don't know why you wouldn't. But people out there be like, hey, Rob, I want the info. You send them the info and then they don't do anything. Doesn't make any sense. Especially here. It's free. So the two thing, there's so much more back here. But for faceless digital content marketing, faceless marketing, whatever you want to call it, Faceless Content Academy and Viral Clipping Academy, both with Internet Income System, both free trainings, both put on by a guy who made lots of money online. So this right here is an example of the viral clipping. You have intro, and then each episode, it's not like a 10-minute deal. Each class is about an hour and 15 minutes long, and he goes basically straight into it. So intro, another little viral clip. I'm wait till my country bumpkin Wi-Fi loads, but this is just so you can get the point. So intro, podcast into viral shorts, viral clips using other people's content, clipping long form videos, level up your clipping game. You get the point. These trainings you can go through, check them out. Again, they are free. The second one is the Faceless Marketing. So you got Viral Clipping Academy, then Faceless Marketing 101, basically. And my phone's ringing in the background. So Faceless, setting up faceless accounts, other people's content, faceless AI content, which is I'm becoming a big part of, marketing and monetization. And then this right here, you can see an example of all the different topics and different things he goes into. So that's all Internet Income System, all free. You get all your training there. The second place is Digital Growth Community. This one is done by, and I keep drawing a blank, Michelle. I keep forgetting her last name. I don't know what's my problem. Man, I listen to her videos all the time. But her training is a little bit more personal, if that makes sense. So, for example, the training at the Internet Income System is straight converting cold traffic, using other people's content, that sort of thing. The thing I found with it, though, is you do need a decent amount of followers to kind of make that work. The training over here at Digital Growth Community, the Faceless digital marketing training here, well, she goes into finding your ideal customer, speaking on their pain points, and then creating that faceless content around that. So there's two distinct pieces here. The first one is basically the how-to, viral clips, other people's content, that area. That's where Chris Record is absolutely spot on. Where Michelle, I keep forgetting her last name, O'Neill, I see it on a thing there, Michelle O'Neill, where her training slightly differs is that she is talking more so, try to get a drink of water, my cup's empty. She is more so finding your ideal target market, identifying their pain points, and just really creating content around that. So you don't need a lot of followers with her type of training. So the idea is to take those two angles and marry them together. So when you take her training, you know how to speak to your target audience, you know how to say things that's going to get people's attention, i.e., you don't need a large following. Then when you combine that with the actual how-to from the internet income system, then your faceless content will be to the next level. And this is what I've done, and I've actually found a way to create my own lane with this. So what I do is I will have a short little intro. It'll be me, it'll be a picture, or it'll be a motivational clip of somebody else. It'll transition to something else that I'm saying, and then that will transition into my faceless video. So I've kind of pieced together my own sort of a hybrid, and if I remember, I'll put a link to it underneath this video so you can see exactly what I'm talking about and where you can get this training and information for yourself. So that being said, underneath this video on YouTube, it'll be a link to an opt-in page. You opt in, you'll get access to the digital growth community, and then you'll get my email. Send me an email or comment underneath this video. You have to send me your email, your actual email, so I can get you Chris Records training. If you don't send me an email, if you send me a fake email, you're not going to get the training. You get the point. It's free, so just go through that extra hoop and you'll be fine. The digital growth community is a one-time $100. I think you get this at the $100 level. I know for sure it's at the $3. I forget which level you get this bonus at. But in my opinion, her social media training, head and shoulders above everything else I've seen on the internet. And I have another video that I'm going to release that I talk about it, to where she will dial your message in and you will know exactly what to post, and you'll never be lost on social media ever again going through her training, hands down. Her training, social media, number one. The second number two to her is Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads. And you use her stuff to know what to post, and then Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads to basically ask questions and bring people into your business. 1-2 combo. When you look at it at a bigger scope, you take the tools that Chris Record teaches you, you clip up some clips, you make some short form digital faceless content, you apply Michelle O'Neill's secret sauce to it, basically. You apply what she gives you to find your target market. You clip up the clips how Chris Record shows you, and then when people comment interested, you use Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads training to bring them into your business. But that's another video kind of going off there. But it's like these two trainings, those three trainings, top tier. Anyway, link is below. Name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next video.